Tax experts concerned about proposed increase in money widening threshold. Scrutiny of amendment to income tax ordinance in post-budget seminar. Alignment with FATF guidelines question. Proposed amendment exempts remittances under certain conditions. Previous threshold gradually reduced to 5 million Pakistani rupees. Proposed amendment seeks to increase threshold to 100,000 United States dollars. Super tax amendment faces severe criticism. Super tax initially introduced in 2015 for displaced persons. Sindh High Court strikes down 10% super tax for specific sectors. Legal challenges and implications of Section 4C. Recovery of super tax at 4% allowed by Supreme Court. Taxpayers still grappling with 4% super tax. Finance bill proposes 10% super tax for high-earning individuals. Steep rise in tax rates to impact existing businesses. Far-reaching implications for future investments. Concerns raised over compatibility with regulatory guidelines. Criticism and legal challenges faced by super tax amendment. Implications on taxpayers emphasized by Haider Ali Patel. Uniform 10% super tax proposed for high-earning individuals and associations of persons. Significant rise in tax rates expected to have substantial impact. Money widening threshold increase raises concerns. Scrutiny of amendment during post-budget seminar. Implications of super tax amendment on taxpayers. Legal challenges and invalidated provisions of Section 4C. Far-reaching implications of tax changes on businesses and investments.